Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you step-by-step instruction on how to change your sign-in password on both a computer and a laptop. Let's get started. First, open settings. You can do this in two ways. Either search for a setting in the search bar or use the shortcut by pressing the Windows plus I keys together. Once the setting menu opens, click on Accounts. Then go to Sign In options, where you will see the section Manage how you sign in to your device. To protect your privacy, you can choose from a different options such as a face recognition, fingerprint, PIN or security key. I prefer using a PIN. To change your PIN, click on Windows Hello PIN and then click Change. First, enter your current PIN, then type your new PIN. Confirm the new PIN in the final field and click OK to save the change. Your password will now be updated. That's how you can change your sign-in password on both your computer and laptop. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.